सो दिस इज़ शुभांश एंड माई सेल्फ। तो आज हम लोग एक छोटे से टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं और उस टॉपिक का नाम है कि बोर्डिंग स्कूल्स कैसे होते हैं। सो शुभांश हैज़ बीन इनटू बोर्डिंग स्कूल रिसेंटली, तो अभी उसने बोर्डिंग स्कूल ज्वाइन किया है। तो टेल मी योर एक्सपीरियंस, इज़ इट वर्थ, it is not worth?
I mean, like, if the cost is like too much, then it's not worth it because it's all the same thing. You're living in a room with like 8 people.
Okay, now tell me, why did you go to boarding school?
Bad decisions.
Whose bad decision?
My bad decision.
It's not your bad decision. Bad decision हो ही नहीं सकता तुम्हारा because
It's phone addiction.
Because you had phone addiction, right? So हम लोग को phone addiction. What is your advice for the kids of today? That how they can avoid the phone addiction and focus on their career and life?
Creating a fixed schedule. That's my main point.
Okay, so what is your recommendation? How will you create your fixed schedule to ensure that you study for 2-3 hours or whatever required?
The thing is, in boarding schools, when you're in a school, you basically have no free time because you're all packed in like a very tight schedule. So then, plus we have like screen time like 1 hour for like 1 week.
हाँ, तो देखिए मेरे हिसाब से
I don't know, that also we sometimes don't even get. We get like half an hour, 15 minutes sometimes.
So boarding schools are not good, that we all know. No, why parents are being forced to send their kids? Because sometimes kids do not listen to their parents' advice, right? अगर वो parents की advice सुनेंगे तो हम लोग क्यों भेजेंगे, right? But शुभांश ने कुछ ऐसा situation किया था.
It's mainly
because of his phone addiction, laptop addiction. So everything has stopped now.
It's mainly phone addiction.
But finally, I think he is on the right track. And
but there is one thing that there is no focus in studies.
This is our first.
A lot homesick. You feel homesick a lot.
Yes. So this is our first podcast. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट अब आने वाले हैं जिसमें कि मैं और शुभांश बात करेंगे। और कहीं ना कहीं बोर्डिंग स्कूल्स में जो है इट्स काइंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल बिजनेस फॉर देम। तो आर दे रियली हेल्पिंग द किड्स?
आई वुड नॉट से दैट बिकॉज मोस्ट द टीचर्स दे आल्सो लिव देयर, सो दे आल्सो फील होमसिक and they don't like teaching.
So homesick का problem नहीं है यहाँ पे. Homesick is something, if you are dedicated or determined to do something, homesickness is not a problem. Problem कहाँ पे आती है?
Focus,
intention, motivation, right? Even स्कूल का जो मैनेजमेंट है उनका भी इंटेंशन ये नहीं है कि बच्चों को हम बहुत एक्सेलेंट बनाएंगे, but they only focus on their studies, right? They only focus on finishing the chapters, but not giving the actual knowledge which is required.
Teachers, yes.
And kids in the boarding school needs a lot of motivation. Opening the book, closing the book, writing everything will never help them. We'll come back again.